Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. PLC timer function. Examples of timer function, industrial applications. The keywords: on delay, off delay, limited on time, repeat cycling, one-shot operation, alternate on and off of two outputs, multiple on delay, multiple off delay, interval time within a cycle. Examples of timer function industrial application. Example 1. On delay. Output B comes on at the specific set time after output A is turned on. When A is turned off, B also goes off. Example 2. Off delay. Both A and B have been turned on at the same time. Both are in operation. When A is turned off, B remains on for a specific set time period before going off. Example 3. Limited on time. A and B go on at the same time. B goes off after a specific set time period, but A remains on. Example 4. Repeat cycling. An output pulls on and quickly off at a constant preset time interval. Example 5. One-shot operation. Output B goes on for a specified time after output A is turned on. Output B will run for its specified time interval, even if A is turned off during the B timing interval. Example 6. Alternate on and off of two outputs. An example of this timing application is to alternately flashing signal lights. The time on for each of the two lights may be the same, or the two times could be set to different intervals. Example 7. Multiple on delay. Two different events start at different time intervals after an initial starting time reference point. Example 8. Multiple off delay. Two different functions remain on for two different time intervals after a process is turned off. Example 9.9. Interval time within a cycle. We may require that an output come on 7.5 seconds after system startup, remains on for 4.5 seconds, and then go off and stay off. The interval would then be repeated only after the system is shut off and then turn back on. Example 1. A grinding operation. the keyword. Grinding operation, the coolant motor, the grinding process, the sequence. For grinding operation on a metal part, the coolant flow on the part must be on for an interval before the grinding process starts. When the process circuit is turned on, the coolant motor is turned on. A second later, the grinding process starts. Both relay logic and the PLC programs for this process are shown in figure 9.4. The sequence for this example is as follows. When the switch 1 in 001 is closed, CM goes on. A second later, GM goes on. When the grinding is completed, opening switch 1 turns CM and GM off. This picture shows the later for the example 1, time delay on. Example 2, a lubricating pump. The keywords: lubrication pump motor, during motor coast down, motor bearing. A motor and its lubrication pump motor are both running. Lubrication for the main motor bearings is required during motor coast down. After the main motor is shut, the lubricating pump remains on for a time corresponding to coast down time. In this example, a lubricating pump remains on for 20 seconds after the main system is shut down. Figure 9.5 shows the required program. This is the program for example 2. Example 3.1, a wood saw operation, a wood sawing operation. The keywords: a wood sawing operation, a blower, the sawdust at the same time. The sawing operation takes 4.6 seconds. After the sawing takes place, a blower to blow away the sawdust is to keep running until the operation is turned off. Figure 9.6 shows a program for this where both the saw output A and the blower output B go on at the same time. This picture shows the program and the timing diagram for example wood sawing operation. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.